Welcome to the Bike Hub.
Fulfilling a need that USG, that numerous bike clubs and student organizations have been clamoring for and asking for quite some time, and finally having that on the horizon to say, here it is.
So up until this point, we've never really had anything to offer to students other than those red stands that are outside that have some tools on it. I would say for me personally, like I've experienced what it's like to try and work on your own bike, and it's a big investment to try and buy your own tools to do so. And here we have like everything that you could ever imagine or need.
We have clinics involved as well. You can be part of a clinic, which you can teach your own. So not only can you do it yourself, but we'll have clinics outside and inside where you can be part of learning the experience of through 3 or 4 or 5 different people. Well, how do I do this? Teach me, show me. Our mechanics will teach.
Student-operated bike shop is going to be a great, a great way for other students to feel comfortable in asking questions. We're really hoping that bikes on campus will be better maintained and ridden more often because of it.
The biggest thing I see about this is there's hundreds or maybe thousands of bikes all over campus, and you see they have rusted chains, and up until this point a lot of students don't have a car or the means to go to a place off campus to get their bike fixed or have somebody do it for them. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to kind of mediate and allow those students who originally didn't have the chance to come in here and get everything sorted out so that they can ride the bike and they don't have to trash it or get rid of it. It's going to minimize waste too.
If this is something that you think, wow, this is outside my realm of possibility, first thing we'd probably say is, well, first, don't give up on this bike. The number one thing that we'd probably say is the frame is the most important. And so if the frame is okay, then we can fix it because the components all come off.
You come in and we can give you some guidance on what you need to do, and you don't have to pay anything other than for the parts that you may need, or if you decide to have us service it.